For asset-intensive industries, maintaining the right spare parts inventory is critical. Holding excessive stock ties up working capital, while insufficient inventory increases the risk of costly production downtime. This solution helps maintenance and procurement teams optimize spare parts inventory through AI-driven inventory intelligence. The solution analyzes historical consumption, supplier lead times, equipment criticality, maintenance history, and inventory records to identify duplicate materials, obsolete stock, and optimal inventory levels across every spare part. It also detects duplicate material codes created by inconsistent supplier descriptions, allowing organizations to consolidate inventory, retire redundant part numbers, and unlock working capital without impacting operational readiness. But inventory optimization is only part of the solution. For every critical spare part, AI continuously determines the optimal minimum stock, maximum stock, and reorder point based on historical demand patterns, supplier lead times, and expected consumption. This ensures that critical components remain available while preventing unnecessary overstocking. The solution includes an interactive inventory drawdown simulator that models inventory movement over time by simulating equipment failures, spare part consumption, replenishment cycles, supplier deliveries, and procurement decisions. Users can evaluate inventory performance under different scenarios, receive intelligent reorder recommendations, and choose between human approval workflows or automated purchase order generation for routine procurement activities. As inventory conditions evolve, the solution continuously identifies surplus inventory that can be reduced, highlights parts approaching stockout risk, and forecasts future procurement requirements before shortages occur. This provides maintenance and procurement teams with clear visibility into inventory health, financial exposure, and purchasing priorities across plants, equipment categories, and locations. The AI models can be built using historical inventory, maintenance, procurement, and supplier data, and tailored to the organization's operational policies and service level requirements. The result is a decision support solution that optimizes working capital, reduces excess inventory, minimizes stockout risk, improves procurement planning, and enables organizations to maintain operational reliability with greater confidence. Looking to accelerate your AI journey? Connect with us to explore proven AI solutions and capabilities.